Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you an amazing free tool called Flux Kontext. It is an image editor that lets you generate, fill, and expand the image all with just a text prompt. If you are into a content creation design or just love with playing AI tools, this one is gonna blow your mind. Stick around till the end because I'll walk you through each feature step by step and show you how to get the best results using just detailed prompts. So let's dive in. First, open your Chrome browser and type Flux Playground or just use the link in this video's description. Click on the first link, Welcome to the Flux Playground. Check the box and click Continue with Google. You can use another Gmail. I'm using the suggested one here. You will see the option Generate Image from Text and Interfaces. The first feature is Generate the Image. Now I will give the prompt to the Flux Kontext to check the quality and check that how it works. A red vintage car parked on a countryside road surrounded by green trees under a partly clouded blue sky. The scene is peaceful and photorealistic. So now you can see the results of this image. I am just typing that what I want and look at that Flux Kontext give me the exactly image I imagined. That's how easy it is to turn text into visuals. Next we got the edit feature. You can use it on the image we just created or upload any image from your device. I'm using the same one we just generated and I'll make you quick change to show you how it works. Click on the edit option and describe what you want to change in the image. For example, I'll write change the color of the car from red to blue and keep the rest of the scene untouched. Then just click and see the amazing results. Here you can see the results. It changed the color of the car from red to blue without disturbing the rest of the background. And I'm just typing what I want and look at that Flux Kontext give me exactly image I imagined. That's how easy it is to turn text into visuals. Select an image, click open and describe what you want to change. For example, change her dress color to yellow. I got the amazing results without any extra effort or details and explanations. Now I'm gonna test it more by changing the prompt to change her expression to laugh. See the results, it changes the expression realistically and keeps the rest of the background untouched. The quality is so good. Let's have some more fun with this feature. I will change the prompt to change the background to mountain hills. You can see the results. The background changed. It's amazing. It's too good. You can also change the position or pose of a person in the image using the edit feature. The next feature is fill. Select the image and the area you want to fill and then describe what you want to add. For example, a short drawing on the mirror. The results looks great. Then I'll try another prompt for a different image, a sketch of a black cat. Now you can see how well it works. You can fill or add anything to the image by using the fill feature of the Flux Kontext. The last feature is expand the image. Select an image. You can adjust the area and fix the size as needed. Click to expand it and see the difference between expanded image and the original one. So in the end, I'm gonna tell you a pro tip. The more detailed your prompt is, the better and more accurate your results will be. So take your time and describe exactly what you want. It really makes a difference. And that's it. With Flux Kontext, you can generate, edit, fill, and expand the image in just few clicks effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.